Hey guys, you're probably wondering what I'm doing in my bedroom. Well, I'm going on a trip. A very, once in a lifetime trip. I'm going to Auckland on a plane, then flying from Auckland to the Bay of Islands. And I think you know what that means. And that's the only reason why I'll be doing this video, is that, that I got granted my make-a-wish, and my wish was to go fishing in the Bay of Islands with Matt Watson.
Alright, get the GoPro. There we go.
It's like woudn't.
We're hooked up.
You hear me coming through your speakers. It's like
I won't soothe your pain.
I got the take on film as well. Oh!
I won't ease your strain.
I got the take on film as well.
I see you out, flay you alive. One more word and you won't survive. And I'm not scared of your stolen power. See your eyes through you anyhow. I seek you out, flay you alive. One more word and you won't survive. And I'm not scared of your stolen power. See your eyes through you anyhow. I see. scared of your stolen power. See right through you anyhow.
It's just a bit easier for me.
Look.